Product review. Boom, boom, boom. Hamburger press. This is a product that I came across on Amazon. Let's open it up and see what this thing look like. Okay, so alrighty. Looks like we have looks like the top piece, and this looks like the bottom. Now, both of them have like kind of like shredded grill. I don't know what you want to call them. For placing meat in it to make patties. Now, this makes me giggle like a little 4-year-old because I can think of all the meats and stuff I combine together to make patties with. And I think these are the pads that you put in it so it doesn't stick. I think. I'll have to go check. But I don't think this was very expensive. And I think there's quite a few mixers and different stuff I want to make because everyone wants to eat healthy. But they want to eat healthy and eat food that tastes good. And so I'm going to I got a whole lot of ideas of doing some hybrid mixes. And I'm thinking about even maybe doing recording and uploading some of my disasters where things I attempted to do that did not work out as planned. Because what you see now is things that were successfully done. You don't see the stuff that I work on that is a complete disaster and that doesn't work out as anticipated, like the egg thing I did, and that was just ugh. But anyway, this is a basic grill press. You can take hamburger, turkey breast, any kind of meat pretty much, and just press it into a patty, which I'm going to use fairly soon. So it's some kind of metal alloyed. Don't really feel like aluminum. It's kind of sturdy. But what gets me, it doesn't look like. If you look at how deep this is in this press, there's not a whole lot of room for a patty. So I guess these are going to be designed to make thin patties or ultra thin patties. But I have a lot of ideas of things I can do with this. But stay tuned, family. I'm going to always figure out something. Until next time, take care.